Hey there, green thumbs and future gardeners, welcome back to channel name. If you're just starting out in gardening, it's easy to make mistakes that can cost you time, effort, and even your plants. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through 9 beginner gardening mistakes to avoid so you can have a thriving, lush garden without the hassle. Let's dive right in.
Mistake number 1, planting without a plan. Planting without a plan is one of the most common mistakes. Before you even dig the soil, decide what kind of garden you want. Do some plants need full sun while others need shade? Do you have space for larger plants to spread out? Sketch out your garden layout and research your plant's needs. On-screen text. Solution: create a garden plan and choose compatible plants. Mistake number 2, overwatering or underwatering. New gardeners often overcompensate with water. Overwatering can drown roots while underwatering leaves plants parched. Every plant has unique water requirements, so understand your plant's needs and stick to a consistent watering schedule.
Check soil moisture by sticking your finger an inch deep. If it's dry, it's time to water. On-screen text. Solution: research watering needs for each plant and test soil before watering.
Mistake number 3, planting too close together. It's easy to forget how much space plants need as they grow. Crowding your garden makes it harder for roots to spread, leads to poor air circulation, and increases the risk of disease.
Remember, plants need room to grow. Always follow spacing recommendations on seed packets or plant tags. On-screen text. Solution: follow plant spacing guidelines.
Mistake number 4, using the wrong soil. Using the wrong type of soil can stunt plant growth. Some plants thrive in well-draining sandy soil, while others prefer rich, loamy soil. Using just any soil from your backyard might not provide the right nutrients or drainage.
Test your soil, amend it as needed, or use pre-mixed soil suited for your plant's needs.
Solution: choose soil that matches your plant type. Mistake number 5, ignoring the sunlight requirements. Some plants need full sun, while others prefer shade. Ignoring sunlight requirements can lead to leggy, weak plants or sunburned leaves.
Check how much sun your space gets and position your plants accordingly. Full sun means 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily.
Solution: match plants to the right light conditions. Mistake number 6, planting at the wrong time. Timing is everything in gardening. Planting too early or too late in the season can cause seeds to rot or seedlings to freeze.
Follow planting calendars for your zone and be mindful of frost dates.
Solution: plant according to the season and your growing zone. Mistake number 7, neglecting to mulch. Mulch is a gardener's best friend. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain soil temperature. Skipping mulch leaves your plants vulnerable.
Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your plants, but keep it away from the stems to avoid rot.
Mistake number 8, not pruning or deadheading. Regular pruning keeps plants healthy by promoting airflow and directing energy into new growth. Not deadheading, removing spent blooms, can result in fewer flowers.
Don't be afraid to snip away, it's good for your plants.
Mistake number 9, expecting immediate results. Gardening takes time. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't grow overnight. Plants need time to establish roots, and some may take months or even years to mature.
Be patient. Gardening is as much about the journey as the results. Enjoy the process and watch your garden evolve. So there you have it. Avoid these 9 beginner mistakes, and your garden will be off to a fantastic start. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Comment below on what gardening challenges you faced, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!